Are you frustrated over the lack of sales and conversions your social media and content marketing efforts are giving you? Is your website not doing what it's supposed to be doing and getting you those leads and sales that you want? So stick around, because I'm going to share one piece of advice that will make a big difference in those sales and conversions so that you aren't wasting your time anymore. Hi, I'm Friesen, website specialist, business and digital marketing consultant, and social media advisor here at eVision Media, bringing you these e-tips so you don't have to struggle anymore and be overwhelmed with all of the information that is out there in this marketing landscape that we live in. So if you are a small business owner, keep watching so that you know what you need to know in order to grow your business. Let's talk about why you're not getting any sales conversions through all of your social media and online marketing efforts. When it comes to social media and content marketing, one of our biggest goals and reasons for doing this is to share our expertise, to showcase our knowledge, and hopefully help others who are in our target audience to help them with their needs and what they're struggling with. Now, one of the biggest things that I see entrepreneurs and business owners do is that they tend to share what they think those people in their target market need to know. That makes sense, right? It actually is logical. I know that you need to know this. But the biggest problem in the marketing world is that your target market may not be necessarily looking for that answer. What we need to do as marketers for our business is to share with them, tell them what they are looking for. So it's all in the framing. So as an example, I'm talking about how to position you in your content marketing efforts. What should you be saying? But instead of me saying, this is what you need to say when you are doing your content marketing and social media, I'm flipping that around and I'm addressing what you're looking for. Probably what you are looking for is reasons why your efforts aren't working. And I'm giving you the same answer that I would have given, but I'm framing it in the context of what you are looking for as opposed to what I see you need to know. So think about that the next time you write your next blog article, the next time you post on social media, and most especially what you write on your website, and make sure that you are addressing what your target market is looking for and frame your services, your products, your solutions in mind of what they are looking for as opposed to what you think they need to know. So give that a try and see how that works with your conversions. So that's it for today's e-tip. And hey, show me some love. If you're liking these e-tips, go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're on Facebook, click the like button. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of these videos. And go ahead and share it to your followers as well if you think that they will benefit from this information. And if you are struggling with the online marketing world and social media world, I invite you to come and check out my Amplify Business Academy online program, and it's a month-to-month membership program where every month I teach a brand new topic on social media, online marketing, content marketing, websites, the whole 9 yards. And go ahead and check it out at amplifybusinessacademy.com. So come and join us and you will learn these tips and strategies to help grow your business. I appreciate you sticking around, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.